Hi, Trevor.
Hello.
I'm Dr. Yang. I'm a doctor in physical therapy and also a certified trichologist. So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. So, how can we help today?
Well, I've got some receding hairline going on here
Okay.
that I'm trying to get rid of so I don't look like my dad. I love my dad, but I'm not trying to look like him. You know what I mean?
I see that there's some genetic factors into it.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and how much do you know about stem cell therapy?
A little bit. So, you're just gonna inject me in my forehead or something like that, and yeah, you tell me what.
Okay. All right. So, stem cell therapy for joints has been around for decades. It's been performed by physicians around the world.
Okay.
The stem cell therapy for hair has been more popular within the last 10 years.
Okay.
We have sister clinics around the US, and we've been doing this for more than 9 years. So I would say we are the experts in stem cell therapy for hair. So you've definitely come to the right place.
Love it.
Okay. So the specific type of stem cells we use are called mesenchymal stem cells. They're known for their ability to regenerate and differentiate, meaning that doesn't matter where we inject or who it's coming from, once we inject that into your body, it will know to regenerate or heal your own tissue.
So is that used just specifically for hair, or you said also for joints too?
Yes, you could, but obviously at a different concentration. But it's the exact same type of stem cells.
Okay.
And we don't add anything else into our solution. It's simply stem cells and saline solution.
Where do you get the stem cells from?
Great question. So as I mentioned that we use donor stem cells from the umbilical cord. Okay.
All right.
As you know, umbilical cords are considered medical waste after babies are born, but they're full of nutrients. So we work with a hospital and a lab that would retrieve the umbilical cords and extract the stem cells. Okay. So you might wonder, how safe are they? They're very safe because our lab uses an FDA-approved testing process to test all the stem cells that they extract to rule out all the diseases. Okay. So it's 100% safe and natural.
So there could be, if they didn't go through that process, there could be diseases in it?
Yes, because you don't know who it's coming from, right? Also, another thing, all our donors go through a medical screening to make sure that they are healthy enough to donate their umbilical cords.
Oh, okay. I heard that, can you not also extract from a patient? Is there a way to do that?
From your own tissue?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Another great question. So, have you heard of PRP?
Yeah, PRP.
Yes. So PRP is where
blood?
they take your blood and it extracts your own platelets.
Okay.
Okay, and they inject your own platelets. So similar, yes. Some places they do your own stem cells. Okay. The reason that it may or may not work as effectively is because when we lose hair, that's because our body is losing growth factors and collagen, right? So imagine getting your own blood and stem cells. You're kind of recycling it from A to B, right? Do you understand?
Yeah, makes sense.
So versus we use donor stem cells that are full of growth factors and different types of collagen.
You already know that that's the good stuff.
Exactly. It's
so we
fresh
don't know
and new.
If you give mine, you don't know if it's good or not.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. And also, treatments like PRP is meant to be a maintenance treatment versus stem cell therapy.
Okay.
Okay. So if we determine that you're a good candidate and you go through the treatments, most likely you wouldn't need to come back. Yeah.